Sobrang ganda rito. Sa mag-relax. Ayan o. Di ba? Actually, just to talk about it, hati yung yung opinions about going out or traveling during during Holy Week. May mga nagsasabi, dapat daw nasa bahay ka lang, dapat you have to mourn, dapat you have to yung magdasal ka lang magdasal sa bahay kasi daw patay si Jesus Christ, ganyan. That this is not not the right time to have fun and enjoy. At meron din naman na for them, and I share that same opinion, na I'm not saying na mali yung mga gusto magstay lang sa bahay and to be mournful yun, mag ano lang muna, maging solemn yung celebration ng Holy Week. Pero I share it with the people na I think na this is the only time that you can have opportunity to bond with your friends and your family. And I know that Papa Jesus Christ is a loving God, so He will understand. And for me kasi, yung Holy Week, celebration of Holy Week is not, I don't think na it's a time to be sad. It's a time to be grateful. It's a time to rejoice because sin has been defeated and Jesus Christ already died for our sin. So natalo niya na yung sin. We no longer are cursed with the sin. We just have to believe in Jesus Christ and follow Him, and then we're saved. So it's time to rejoice. We have to celebrate it. Pero syempre kailangan pa rin nating tandaan yung essence, true essence ng Holy Week. Hindi natin yung dapat kalimutan na this is the time that our sin was dealt with by our one true God. But syempre, this is the only time din naman kasi na yung mga working parents, it's the only time na available sila to have a vacation and spend it with their family. So, yun ang aking opinion sa Holy Week. And we've been doing this for quite a long time naman. And the thing is that we never forget the true essence of the Holy Week, the true essence of the Lent, which is the sacrifice, the sacrifice of the Lord Jesus Christ. Okay, so either kung saan yung pinapaniwalaan mo doon, it's up to you. So, yun, celebrate it whichever you want to do it, okay? Pero for me, for my family, and for my friends, we do it like this. We do it Jumalig style. Okay?